What up, Squad fam? We just left the fish store. They did not have the assassin snail or the shrimp I wanted, but they had a lot of cool stuff.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You do. We're at the mall.
Oh,
We're going upstairs.
hey, up there. We don't have any money.
We got Barnes and Noble. What up, Squad fam? We're at Barnes and Nobles. Got a ice brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso.
I got a lavender matcha.
Yo!
Hey.
Going to birthday party. We gonna freaking turn up.
Woo!
We got our coffee.
Yeah.
I got the Golden Eagle, the big boy size.
I got the caramelizer. You spilled two. What the fuck?
That's part of the routine, baby.
Uh.
Buy my butt next,
Ew.
if you want. Where the birdie birdie? How's it going?
I'm going.
You got a unicorn?
Yeah. You know who else has a unicorn?
Who else has a unicorn?
This guy.
Me?
One winner, 42 losers. I eat losers for breakfast.
How did you know you could do it?
I just never thought I couldn't.
We got face paint, skid, we got lightsabers. Badass.
It would have been cool if you went straight.
I tried.
Yeah, you tried that in life too.
Well,
But
I'm hella swamp ass, swamp bellow, swamp dick.
hot.
Yeah, it is hot. I just want to rub my face, but the
You
face paint-
already fucking fucked it up.
I'm still like 95% lizard. Snake.
Snake.
I'm
and
95% snake.
The snake's head is almost gone.
I'm a reptile. A reptile dysfunction, baby. That's me.
So then you're just gonna have a weird snake body on you.
Hell yeah. That's what I want.
Like snake dick.
Snake dick. Wanna go play on the swings?
Yeah, we can go play on this one.
Woo! Swing time. Oh, my ass. What you doing over there? Got hella swamp ass now with all
know.
the slide juices.
You're gross.
Butt cam.
I shouldn't have cleaned it.
She wet my butt. Just leaving the part skis right now.
Yeah.
Pretty sick, pretty epic. We got wow, mother flipping unicorn, a noble steed. My butt is wet from that slide still. It's been wet for like 2 hours and it feels gross.
But guess what?
What?
That's it. No, I don't know.
Okay.
Do you like pancakes?
Yeah, I like pancakes.
Do you like big footballs?
I like big fat balls. I'm not gay.
It's gonna turn green too. Like right now.
3, You're good.
I was watching these like.
Oh, you son of a bee. All right, babe. I know I told you I was gonna do something special for dinner.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna go get some groceries. I'm gonna cook you up something real good.
Really?
What you feeling? Italiano, seafood, Mexican?
I want pasta.
I could cook you up some meat and pasta, girl.
Heck yeah.
We're not going to HEB. I'm not cooking you shit.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I got his Olive Garden, so it kind of counts.
This doesn't count as cooking.
I got. I'm handicapped. Oh man, I wish. Oh, handicap. Another L for the handicaps. I'm not gonna add this part.
Yeah, that'll keep.
Although this is how I feel. But my persona is a caring young individual.
Yeah.
All right, you're in charge of this.
They have a disposal for your cigarettes.
That's what the ground's for.
What the heck? That's cool, huh?
Hey, wiener dog.
Hi.
I got the vote. Yeah. Oh, freaking. Oh. Oh. Are you recording, you pervert?
Yeah.
Get low. What the fuck?
I'm tired of listening to your music.
Well, that's too damn bad. Stop fighting in the car.
What the
I abuse women. I'd stay in.
That's great.
I'm trying to cater to the male audience.
Okay.
This is what we do. This is what men do.
You know how you know he doesn't hit me?
I hit her. Tell people.
I literally didn't flinch when he did that.
I hit her every day. Sorry, Mom.
Did your mom actually watch these?
No, she didn't give a fuck
Okay.
about me.
It's not true.
She hates me.
No, she doesn't.
I was aborted.
No, you weren't.
You can't prove that.
You're literally here.
We got the alligator. We got a seafood Alfredo pastarini. Chicken ganucci soup.
Zippadisgana soup. Eggplant parmigiano. Bread.
Parmigiano cheese. Oh. Let's say grace. Ah!